Yo, what's up? I'm bearish today. Look at this bearish 4-hour fair value gap right here. We touched into it and rejected really cleanly. So just based off of this, the immediate draw on liquidity is over here. And on a bigger picture, we just keep going down. And the way I see it, we're gonna hit this equilibrium very soon. And I think it's gonna hit this equilibrium as well as take this sell side at the same time. So that's why I'm bearish today. And also notice this 4-hour fair value gap right here. It got disrespected down, so we are obviously bearish. And on the 15-minute, we just had a confirmed breakout structure when we closed below this candle right here. And we also created a nice bearish fair value gap. So I'm expecting a rejection from here. And I'm gonna go short once I see an SMT at market open, and I'll target this sell side, which is like 20 points, but it doesn't matter because it's a really high probability trade. So I'm gonna go high size on that if it happens. All right, market just opened. Let's see if this candle rejects down or if we start going up. If we start going up and close over here, then I'm not taking a trade. Okay, we are potentially breaking structure over here, but I don't really see an immediate SMT. 15 second, I see no SMT, so this is not, it's not kind of confirmed yet. Maybe I should just short it here and put my stop loss over there. That could have been the play. Yeah, because high time frame looks so good. I think I should have taken this. Let's see if it pulls back and gives us another chance. I would like to enter somewhere over here. That would be $730 of risk. Too much. 15. Okay. I could do 15 if it comes back, but all right. So that happened really fast without an SMT, so I could not take that trade. If it had an SMT, then this would have been beautiful. Yeah, no SMTs, no. I like an SMT for it to be a really good manipulation. This is still a form of manipulation, but with an SMT, I would be able to know exactly where to put my stop loss. But yeah, this is interesting. I definitely learned something from this. But I just see no SMTs anywhere. So that's interesting. Anyways, now this equilibrium is gonna get hit. So I'm happy my bias, my analysis is correct, but it's a shame that we could not see an SMT, because if we saw an SMT, I would have taken this trade. Yeah, it was really, the 4-hour chart really said it all. Look at this clean rejection from this. The closest target will be over here, and that's all you need to target to make a lot of money. And that's exactly what happened. It just moved a little too fast at market open. I wish we kind of consolidated here, create more structure, and then we have a manipulation SMT somewhere over here, and then we take the short. But it was a little too fast. But let me think, where would I have been able to take a short? See, look at this. So market opens here, and you know, we barely get a breakout structure. I would not actually consider this as a breakout structure in real time because it's just not that clean. But guess what? The next candle just completely takes the target without giving me an entry. So that was not a very clean confirmed move that I could have taken. So there's nothing much I could have done differently. So in my opinion, I did not make any mistakes. And on the 15 second, there's no clean leg up that tells me where a breakout structure will be, other than maybe here, right? But then it has a black candle in the middle, which is kind of messy. So on the 15 second, I would have drawn it like this. If that's the case, this breakdown confirms the breakout structure. But then there's no fair value gaps, right? There's no fair value gaps, so it did not fit my rules. It was close to fitting my rules, but it did not. So anyways, it doesn't really matter. As long as we don't take any losses, I mean, I'm fine with missing out on a trade because I protected my capital either way. So my target is taken on the day. So with that being said, I'll call it here. See y'all later.